Airbus Defence and Space has successfully carried out the first flight of Spain's new C295 Search and Rescue (SAR) aircraft, marking a major step in the country's fleet modernization effort. According to Airbus Defence, the aircraft took off from Seville, Spain, where the company assembles its C295 family. This inaugural flight focused on verifying flight systems and performance ahead of upcoming mission equipment tests. Additional flight and ground trials are planned before deliveries begin in 2026. The C295 SAR variant will replace the Spanish Air and Space Force's aging CN235 VIGMA aircraft, operated by the 46th Wing. The new platform features updated avionics, advanced communication systems, and specialized search and rescue mission equipment designed to extend operational reach and improve effectiveness during maritime and coastal emergencies. Airbus said the program includes a total of 8 aircraft for Spain, reflecting the country's continued investment in expanding its domestic airlift and search capabilities. The C295, already in service with multiple nations, is known for its adaptability to a wide range of missions, from tactical transport to maritime patrol, and its ability to operate from short or unprepared runways. The new SAR configuration incorporates an upgraded mission suite with enhanced sensors, real-time data sharing links, and improved situational awareness systems to support extended search operations in complex weather conditions. For the Spanish Air and Space Force, the modernization represents a key capability upgrade. The introduction of the C295 SAR fleet will help ensure faster response times and more effective coordination in rescue missions across Spain's vast maritime zones.